Rise and shine to the motherfucking coffee grind. So today I'm gonna make some whipped coffee. I'm using some Nescafe iced coffee that I got from Northgate. Check out your local Northgate. This is not a paid ad or a paid promotion, guys. This is just because I want to share. So then I'm gonna go ahead and add some cinnamon, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some vanilla, and I'm also gonna go ahead and add some water. And today for my lovely whisker, I'm gonna use one of these. Let's get it. Let's get into it. Ooh, it's already looking nice. Oh, it fell out. Oh, it's getting a little messy, guys. Oh, it's getting a lot of messy, guys. The reality of these hacks. Oh, all right. So it's getting a little messy, guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this out of my way because it got a little messy. But it's okay. No, not to worry. We got some Lysol wipes in the building. Woo! Yay, thanks to the Lysol wipes. Oh my gosh, it is a bloody mess. So I'm guessing I have to go back and forth. I'm going back and forth. All right, so I have my cup right here. I'll show you guys in a light cup. In a clear cup so you guys can see. Too bad I don't have my other cup. My sister, hater ass, broke it and threw it away. Never told me about it. She owes me a cup, guys, but whatever. Enough being petty. Moving forward. She already knows that she owes me, but moving forward. So I'm gonna go ahead and add two ice balls and some milk. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this Abuelita chocolate syrup that I'm gonna put in my actual cup because this is my to-go cup. It's in there. See that, guys? So then I'm gonna pour this in here, which is very frothy, as you guys can see. As you guys can see right here. Check it out. Ooh, look at that froth. And then put it all in there. Or whatever fits. Okay. Nice. Check out that froth, guys. And then go ahead and sprinkle some of this on top just to get some more of that cinnamon taste, because I love cinnamon, guys. Cinnamon is my favorite. It makes me feel happy. It makes me feel like I am able to accomplish anything in this world. And then today I'm gonna go ahead and try out this Lego My Eggo waffle creamer that I got at your local Walmart. You can guys can go check it out as well. And then here goes the taste test, guys. Let's get it in there. It's already gonna come out, but here goes. Lego My Eggo tastes like butter, like butter pecan. Like and subscribe, guys.